Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have the Lookfantastic beauty box for November 2020. So first things first, this one is really weird. I can't figure out which way is the front. I guess this bottom section? Yeah, it looks like it's this bottom section. They use their own tape, but it's just the same color as the box. So it was hard to tell where the opening actually existed, and maybe I was wrong. I think I just ripped the box, not the tape. I don't know what I'm doing right now. We are struggling, and it's barely 30 seconds into the video. Oh, it looks very pretty color-wise though. Here's a sneak peek of the color.
A few moments later.
Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box subscription. If you buy it one box at a time, it's $19, but you can reduce that down to $16 if you buy annual. Not only do they do the beauty box, they're a major beauty brand retailer. So they sell all sorts of brands. It's basically like an online store. I don't know if they have in-person stores, but it's UK based, so I haven't been to the UK anytime recently. So I'm pretty sure it's an online retailer, but I have a really good announcement. If you like to shop at lookfantastic.com, or if you're looking for beauty products, I am now an affiliate for Lookfantastic, so anytime you use my link, it does help support this channel when you're making a purchase. Anytime I recommend a product, I'm gonna check and see if it's on the Lookfantastic site, and I will link it both ways. Like I'll link a Sephora link, which is a non-affiliate link, and I'll link it as Lookfantastic as well. So then you could make your purchase using the other link, whatever link is your preference, but like I said, affiliate links will help support this channel and help my channel grow. So now let's get into the box. I love the packaging, I love the color. This is my color, perfectly me, so I'm so excited about this box. Opening it up, we have the Firecracker edition. So it looks like November 2020 is firecracker themed. And I mean, I guess with the orange, I can definitely see that. The inside is also very orange. And here are our little products here. Like I said, it's $19 a month, and it does come monthly. So this little thing will give us a lot of information actually. It's a full-on booklet. I appreciate that they send this much information about their products. And even if there's a variation, it'll tell you in here as well. I already see things that are really interesting to me. Here's also a few ads of other items that you can get in their store. Like I said, they're also a store. The best part, for me at least, is that we actually get a sneak peek on the back, and this December sneak peek is so good. It is from Avant and Avant skincare. It's very pricey skincare. The only way I can afford it is in subscription boxes. It is their Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. 10 milliliters, so that seems to be a full size, and it says worth 98 pounds. Let me do that conversion for you into US dollars. So right now, 98 pounds is about 130 US dollars. So for 19 US dollars, you could potentially get this product that is worth 130. I'm not even able to wrap my mind around that. So I'm very excited about this box. Can't wait to get the box. If you're interested in signing up, I know I have a discount, but I kept checking all of my emails and I can't figure out what the discount is at the day I'm filming this. So I had to email Lookfantastic to make sure what is my discount. But I will be linking it down below. I'll put it in a comment. Just looking at this box, it looks like a lot of skincare, which I love. So let's just dig right in and see what we have here. This is from Now Bay. It's a natural and organic company. They have the Eco Cert here for being a cosmetic natural ingredient. And this says Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream. It says it has aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. Back here it says 98.78% are natural, and that 13.5% are from organic farming. They say that they're cruelty-free and vegan as well, and this is made in Spain. I really like this bottle. It has like a wood lid, which I don't feel like I've seen that before. Wonder if I'm gonna get a splinter from it though. So let's do a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm assuming this is a face cream. Oh, it smells so nice. I really like it. It's like spa water scent, like cucumber, aloe, all those things that make you feel really calm when you go to the spa. It just says to apply to cleansed skin, so I guess you can use it on parts of you that is not your face too. This does have green tea. I love anything that has green tea in it, and then aloe is a very soothing ingredient, so cruelty-free, all the good things. I'm very glad that I got this one. Next up, we got something from Polar. I think it's Polar. It's got 2 A's and I have no idea how to say them. One of them has a little dot on top, but it's P-O-L, A with a dot, A without a dot, R. And it's their Ice Pure, and it's a micellar water. Very good at taking off makeup, very gentle. This says fragrance free, so I love that too. It is so hard to read the bottle because it is see-through. So we're gonna just have to look here. All right. It is way too hard to read the ingredients, but I can see it has water and glycerin, and that is about all I can see. It says sodium hyaluronate here at the bottom corner, but the rest is like, I don't know how anyone would be able to read this unless we put like a white paper behind it maybe. No, even then, it's not very eye friendly, but this is made in France, and then most sites that feature this brand or talk about this brand say it's a cruelty-free brand. There are 2 sites. One said, we researched this in 2018 and they are not cruelty-free. And then another said it's unclear whether they're cruelty-free or not. But then I found about 8 or 9 that said it is. They say so on their site as well. So I'm not sure what those other 2 sites' information came from. I think they probably are cruelty-free, but I just want to put it out there that there are a couple sites saying that they're not, that research whether brands are cruelty-free. They're not, the 2 sites that say they are not sites that I normally go to. That doesn't mean that they're wrong. I just don't know where they get their information. I think last time I said it was a cruelty-free brand, but I never mentioned that, so I felt like mentioning it this time. Moving on, next product. It's actually a set. So I have the Philip Kingsley Body Building Weightless Conditioner and Bodybuilding Shampoo. I love that they did that because there's some boxes where they just give you the shampoo or they just give you the conditioner, and obviously these are made to go together. They're designed to be used together. So I'm really glad that I got both of them. And let's see, I'm pretty sure this is a cruelty-free brand because we've received it in the past. I will double check though and let you know at the end. Both of these say made in the UK, and I think they're the same size, 20 milliliters and 20 milliliters. Yeah, so they're both the same size bottle, but they have different packaging. Moving on, I found a makeup item. This is from Lord & Berry, and I know that they're not cruelty-free. Their cruelty-free status is very sketchy. They say they're cruelty-free, and they even say like, we don't have to have a certification to say we're cruelty-free. We just are cruelty-free. Then they answer a bunch of questions like, do their suppliers test? And they say, no, we used European suppliers and they don't test on animals. Then they say like, we ship to China, which means that you have to do pre-market testing. And they say, but we have a way that we don't have to test. But they don't explain what that way is or anything like that. It's just like a whole deal. I don't consider them cruelty-free. I have received them in other boxes and I don't consider this brand cruelty-free. It's a very pretty color though. What does it say? It is Doré, and this is an eye pencil. It's like a nice gold color. And Lord & Berry is made in Italy. We have 2 items left. Let's do the skincare first. This is from This Works, and it's In Transit Camera Close-Up. I know this is a cruelty-free brand. It says it's a mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. This is a mask you don't take off. I'm gonna smell these actually. Did I not even smell the micellar water or the Philip Kingsley? What is wrong with me today? Oh, there's definitely fragrance in that. That is so strong. It's floral too. It's going away though. It's really strong when you first put it on, but as I'm rubbing it in, it is going away. It's a mask that you can leave on. Still has a lingering like floral scent to it, but definitely much better than when I first applied it. And you would rub it in, leave it on. It's not a wash off mask, and that's how you can use it as a moisturizer and a primer as one too. Ingredients list says it's water based, has shea butter. Let's see what else is good here. It has argan oil, that's also very moisturizing. It has the Barago seed oil. It has fragrance is about halfway. Then we have bitter orange down there, soybean oil, aloe leaf juice is pretty close to the bottom. It smells nice. If you like florals, it smells really nice. Now let's go back and smell our shampoo and conditioner. That just has a clean scent. They don't really have much of a scent. It's just like the scent of soap. Sometimes this work can be a very expensive brand. We're gonna talk about money in a second. So this is a very small sample. It does say made in China, but it's probably worth a pretty penny. And then last, but definitely not least, is from Mina. So the way Mina spells their name online is the number 3 INA, but the 3 is technically an M, and when you see it in their logo, it looks more like an M. So it's a Mina, like with the M sound. This says the long wear lipstick. So let's see if it has any ingredients that I can't use. It has synthetic beeswax, which I'm actually okay with, even though I don't use regular beeswax. I think I can use this one. All right, let's try it then. This is definitely a cruelty-free brand. It says long wear liquid lipstick combines with a creamy application for an intense color. We'll see about that. I'm gonna have to use my phone as my mirror because I didn't bring a mirror because I did not know I was gonna be doing a try on this video. So let's do this. Oh, I love it. Let's see if this dries down and gives me a more matte look. It's such a like pretty pink. Does not really match my outfit and all of that, but it says long wear, so we're gonna see how bulletproof it is after we talk about money. So now let's talk about money because it's important. I'm gonna do some quick research because we're not gonna do a full try on. So I'm gonna do some quick research, find out if it's cruelty free, calculate how much it costs. Okay, we're back with a normal face, but our lipstick's still on. I'm really liking it. It's like a light matte pink color. So we have first our body building shampoo and conditioner set. For one of them, and I can't even tell you which, I think the shampoo was $2.40 when I calculated milliliter for milliliter. And then the conditioner was $3. So together this set is $5.40. It is a cruelty-free brand. I did find reviews for the shampoo. Has a 4.5 star rating with 366 reviewers. Next we'll do the This Works. And remember I told you it's probably pricey even though it's little, it totally is. So the full size is $45 and milliliter for milliliter, that makes this one 16.88 cents. So $16 for this tiny sample, which is just crazy to me, but it does have good reviews as well. It has a 4.5 star rating with 524 reviewers. So I'm pretty excited to try this. Hopefully it's a little bit mattifying. I'm a little worried that it's gonna give me too much glow, but we'll see. And this is a cruelty-free brand as well. So next for Polar's Ice Pure Micellar Water. Like I said, we're not sure if this is cruelty-free or not. I usually tend to treat those like they're not cruelty-free, but this time it seemed like the outliers were saying that it wasn't, and then everyone else was saying that it was. I don't know, use at your own risk, contact the company, see what they let you know. This is $6.65 if you do it milliliter for milliliter with its full size, and it didn't have enough reviews available. The next product is from Now Bay. It's their Detox Oxygen Light Cream. I believe this is their full size. I think that this is the one I found was the same milliliters because I didn't write a full size on here, and it was $21.76. Probably I had to do some conversion there. I really did this like 10 minutes ago, so I have no idea how I already forgot, but I think I did because that's a very weird number for it to come out to. So I probably had to convert euros or pounds to US dollars. And then this is a cruelty-free brand and is a 4.5 star rating with 70 reviewers. Now we have two products that are like cosmetic products. So next let's do the Lord & Berry. I don't consider this a cruelty-free brand if they say they sell in China. They just have some shady wording on their website, which I hate. This is technically full size because you can buy it in this size on Macy's website for $10. And then this product had not the best ratings actually, it had a 3.9. I know that seems high, but if you think about how people rate things, they either rate it as a 5 or a 1. Rarely is someone like, that was a pretty average eyeliner I used. Like when you go to rate something, it's because you love it or you hate it. So when you're in the 3s, it means both sides are getting pretty equal ratings. I think something should be above a 4 to be a good rating, and I would even say 4.5 is like, that's when you know it's like really good. So if it's between 4 and 4.5, it's like, it's pretty good. That's just the way that I look at reviews. Most of them are pretty artificially high anyways. So 3.9, even though it's almost a 4, it's not the best rating. And I'm gonna check right now and see if this is smudge proof on my hand. and it's not smudge proof, so that might be a reason why it definitely smudged out, but some people like smudgy liner. They like that look. The last item is also a full-size item. It is from Mina, and it's their long-lasting lip color for $14.50. This is a cruelty-free brand as well, and this one did not have enough reviews available, but I'm gonna show you right now if it is kiss-proof or not. It's been about 15 minutes since I applied it. It does transfer, but it's not too bad actually. Like, you can see some transfer, but it looks like the majority stayed on my lips. That does give me a positive, thinking that it probably is gonna be really long lasting, but it's not transfer proof. So it will end up on your cup or your boyfriend or your dog or whatever you're kissing. So using my calculations and actually doing milliliter for milliliter, exchange rate, all of that, so it does make it kind of a weird number, but the retail value for my box is $45.19. If you went and bought this for their $19 on their website, that's definitely a great deal, almost 4 times your value. I'm really interested in several of the products. I'm pretty happy with the lipstick because there's not usually lip products that I can use. I would actually say that they're all items that I will use, so that doesn't normally happen for me. I do like Lookfantastic because these are brands I don't normally see in the other beauty subscriptions that I get. Part of it I think is because Lookfantastic is based in the UK, so I get introduced to a few more UK brands or international brands because they're European brands. My camera died. It was warning me and I was like, I can do this little outro. No, it died. When that happens, every single time that happens, I shift my camera because touching it, it's like so sensitive. So I know I'm not lined up in the right place that I was before, but it is what it is. One thing that I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video is that this box was sent to me for free in exchange for my review. As always, you will get 100% my honest opinion about the products inside, about the cruelty-free status, about a product, whatever information I find, you're gonna get it whether a product is sent to me for free or whether I pay for it. I am glad that I got this box. Let me know, of course, in the comments down below what your favorite item in the box was, and if you hate every single item. Let me know what your least favorite is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!